Sewing a bustier is just about stitching fabric together, but the truth is, what separates a beginner from a professional is structure, padding, and pressing. In this course, I am going to be walking you through how to create a lace bustier with a clean yoke finish, no gaping, perfect fit, and a luxury result. Let's get started. So this is a mini documentary that we are sharing over here. It is from Cutting with Your Panels. If you have been following our channel, this is Those Fashions Academy, where we help you to give your creativity expressions. We have already lay the foundation of the drafting of this princess seam with a yoke pattern. If you don't know how to do this, check now in this channel how to make these straps. After drafting, then you can opt and sign up for this premium class when you learn the padding techniques. Accuracy in drafting, 80% of structure. If pattern is correct, seam become easy, smooth, curve, better shaping. So in this tutorial, you can see after opting for the panels, it is into the ironing techniques, which is the hidden secret. Padding is the hidden secret of this project. Padding gives life to your bustier. Don't overpad, blend edges smoothly. You can see how it is done. You just going to be flowing step by step according to this tutorial, and then you'll be learning. These are all you'll be learning in this tutorial section. Padding it's a arc, and it is that important aspect that you don't want to miss in this project. Once you miss this secret and once you miss this hack, once you miss getting it right, once you miss constructing your pattern very well, it becomes a challenge. So you don't want to do that. This is the key to perfection. It is where many people get it wrong. Padding is not just about adding volume. No, it is not about adding shape and support. It is about adding shape and support. Yes, this is by choosing the right padding, not too thick, not too flat. And all this tutorial goes on and on in our classes where you're going to be learning the details. This gives Bustier that professional and then the structural look. Learning, you're also going to be learning the arc of placing lace placements on your pieces. This is what you're also going to be learning in this section as you sign up for these classes. Hello, this section it is one-on-one section where we are going to be meeting, and it is learn at your pace with Those Fashions Academy, and Mary Adedoyin is your fashion tutor. I am your lead fashion tutor, where I will be guiding step by step, and you're also going to be getting access to video tutorial that you learn at your pace, you practice with, and then there is a WhatsApp community support that you're going to be coming to ask questions step by step while you are making this project. So you can see it is easy, and then you don't want to miss this. Look at the bustier, look at the way it is standing, and look at absolutely this is looking amazing. A bustier is not just a top, it's a structured garment. That means it must follow the natural bust curve, it must hold shape, and it must sit firmly without shifting. Once you understand it, everything else becomes easier. This is what we are learning. Foundation mindset, it is that fitness before style. Bustier is not just saying, it's structure. So you get to know this, and you're also going to be learning the ironing arc, which is what takes you from just an ordinary sewist to a professional. As you are even making this at home yourself, you are making RTW ready to wear. You're going to be learning the arc of the RTW as you are doing this in classes. So I'm going to urge you now, quickly opt into the comment section as you click on the link to buy now. The course is at a discount rate, and you are just getting it. Very simple, available, and it is highly quality section that you're going to be having with these classes. And not just the bustier with yoke you're learning, you're also going to be learning the one layer method of a princess seam padding. No more struggle with your padding, no more struggling with your yoke, learning the kind of yoke to use, how to have a neat yoke, because that is the basis. This is where you don't want to miss. Yoke must look invisible. Your yoke should disappear into the skin. Your yoke, learning how to use a correct skin net shade, learning how to pick the right match in order for it not to inch your body, learning all of this arc in the classes as you joining with our classes, how to avoid thick seams, and how to attach, how to have a clean and a flat attachment. in this section. Those are everything we are putting together in this section, and I hope you're not missing it. Are you going right there now? Quickly go right there now and then click as you buy on seller, which is very flexible in making payments, and also a section that is available for you that you can subscribe for. This weekend you can schedule, and even more than this weekend you can schedule. It is learn at a place for when you will love to learn. It's just schedule with us and then we'll just be right there. Anytime, any day you want to have your one-on-one section with these classes, and then you also have access to video where you learn at a place. Hello, don't forget it is learn at a place. Go right now and click as you join this Bustier classes. It is a processing master class, and then you are learning two sections. We are learning two different courses. This is for the one layer and that of the list. Those are what we are putting together in these classes. Aha, we're just getting started. So everyone, right now and then I see in classes, because I cannot wait to see you too in classes. And I remain Mary Adedoyin, your fashion tutor. See you all in class. Bye. Hello, subscribe if it's your first time here, not to miss on detailed content too.